Yeah, we got
All
that.
right, y'all. So today we're gonna be doing unbelievable science, exciting education, and fun
But we
experiments
gotta
with
do
the kids.
one
This was a Christmas gift that the boys got from Grandma. So thank you, Grandma. Y'all
Appreciate you, Grandma.
Hey, that's pretty good.
These are Grandma.
Thank you.
Y'all, I don't think we're gonna be doing everything today. We're probably just gonna be doing one science experiment because this actually comes with 6 of them. And
Let's do the lava one.
so that's what I was thinking. I was thinking erupt the volcano.
Crystals.
So we can grow crystals, erupt the volcano, blast off a rocket. We shouldn't do the rocket because in the house we need to do that outside. So we definitely not doing the rocket. We can't do bugs right now because we're not going outside to go get any bugs.
Bugs.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it says observe a bug in a habitat.
What?
Yeah. And then it says
This
dig out
is
a
freaky.
T-Rex skeleton. And I don't feel like doing no digging because that's gonna take a lot of.
Time.
Create a model of Earth. That'll be cool.
I vote for blowing something up.
I feel like crystals.
I want to do the volcano.
Blowing something up.
So we're gonna be doing the volcano. We're gonna open the box and then, matter of fact, I'll open it like
Is
on
it gonna be
camera.
messy?
I want to open it.
We can put like a bag or something.
We're gonna read the instructions.
We'll be back, y'all, once we like start actually getting into
We
recording.
already know
So,
these
see y'all when we see y'all.
Ooh, I know Sonia.
All right, y'all. So we finally got it kind of like needed. Samika had the great idea of putting it inside the bowl. I'm sorry, baby.
You ready?
Yes. So,
Hurry up, go.
go, 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 go.
Still wasn't worth it. This is gonna be a failure.
We've been doing a lot of fails.
Come on, grab, boy. If you wanna do it.
Can we go wash our hands? Can we finish?
Y'all don't cover the straw. Yeah, just pat it down. I'm gonna blame it on this had to be an old one.
Hey. Can we go wash our hands when we finish?
This is crazy.
Okay, let's go wash our hands. Huh?
You guys,
What?
I think we did something wrong.
What?
Stop it. Get some help.
What?
Can we go wash our hands?
Go wash your hands, Javion. This ain't even off.
Do your D21, do your D21. Look, I'm doing exercise, guys. I'm doing exercise. Mine is still white. White. Wipe it down. The Wednesday.
All right, y'all. So
Our volcano is not like volcanoing.
no.
Like an empire.
Yeah, like an empire.
Alright, so the next step, y'all, so I really think we just had a bad batch. I'm just saying.
We had an old
Open the
box.
bag up. It's clear the tube has not moved while you were working. Let the sand dry for about 20 minutes. It's already kind of dry. So,
We did the 20 minutes.
yeah. Anyways, pick up the bottle of citric acid and twist the cap to open it. Make sure to point the bottle away from the opening away from your face. Fill the citric acid bottle 3/4 full with tap water. You will like.
Ooh, I know Sonia.
3/4 of a cup of water. Javion, do you want to have a singing competition?
Yes.
Cause you always trying to sing against me.
I'm gonna have a singing competition.
Okay, you go first.
I want a Corona.
I'm gonna sing.
Old Town
I want to sing
Road.
If you don't pick up the phone like you used to.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
If you don't pick up the phone like you used to. What am I doing? I need to get in the bed. What the heck?
What song is that?
Miles!
Huh?
Miles! And if in a friend check coming your rest.
Yeah.
I ain't supposed to be in the video.
All right, y'all. So we doing 1/4 of a cup. Wait, let's pour it over this. 'Cause,
Oh my God.
wow. We're doing 1/4 of a cup, and we're doing half.
We trying to do 1/4 of a cup.
Can we? I thought we
And
were
then half a cup.
chicken wing, macaroni, chili with the whole. It's cool. What are you? Chicken macaroni.
Oh my God! Stop.
We done with the
I
singing.
did it.
We done with the singing competition.
That's all love for y'all.
That's all over you.
That's all love for y'all.
But we didn't. We should have added like
Soap.
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 Yeah.
Why's my hair like this? It's cool.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Wait,
Do you
we
want to add soap? No.
We can add some soap if we can use the soap in the bathroom.
Sulfuric acid ain't gonna burn.
Y'all ready?
1 hour later.
All right.
That was the longest I've ever seen it took
I
somebody
never-
to press play. Like,
Whatever.
all right, Carter, your turn. You're up.
So I put this in?
So we're gonna connect it to this. Hold on.
And I push it?
Wait.
We finna blow some up, y'all.
Oh, let me do it.
Let's get ready, babes. What's up, cousins?
Do he be watching? You talking about Blaze?
All right. So we're gonna let Carter go first because he's the baby.
Then we are, and I'm going second.
Oh, we blowing stuff up.
Oh, wow. Ah!
Oh!
All right, let
Oh!
Javion go.
Okay.
I was in the fire.
Yeah, you was in the fire, Daddy.
You gotta squeeze it really hard.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Now Mommy's turn.
Oh,
Oh my God!
Whoa! Whoa!
Now Daddy.
Be careful. We need to put a flashback down.
What is? Oh!
No.
I said watch it though. It's getting everywhere.
Whoa!
Oh my God, you.
Squeeze a lot.
Ah! It won't stop.
It's giving.
Like we need
Dude.
That's like running now. Mommy, get out! Mommy, get out! It looks like I'm in the prison jail. Yeah, you think I'm in prison?
Oh!
Oh, you're getting it on the carpet.
Boom!
I wish I could step on it.
No.
right, y'all.
Wait,
So,
no, like my feet. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all.
all right, y'all. So we just blew it up in our house. Like we built a whole freaking volcano in our house. Like we had a science
This
experiment.
was definitely. Do y'all think this was like a
Good?
or do y'all think we failed? Y'all think we achieved it or we failed?
Achieved it. Achieved it.
Achieved it. What is cheese?
Achieved.
Achievement means we did good.
Great job.
Hey, that's pretty good.
But yeah, we definitely.
Or we should pour like down.
So did you guys like it? Y'all want to do another experiment?
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Stop playing with that. All right, you guys. Because you're acting like a kid in a candy store.
Yeah, you almost get like a kid. You almost look
But
like
all right, you guys, y'all see. I don't know about them, but I definitely think that it was like. But it was good. It was good.
it was cool.
Yeah.
It was cool. I liked it.
But I feel like it was supposed to be more foam.
Yeah, it was supposed to be like.
Y'all stop. Y'all gonna is that seeping through? We gotta clean that up.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, y'all go get in the tub.
All right, y'all. We'll be back with another video. Remember to go like, comment, and subscribe
Oh
to
my
our
God.
videos.
Bad idea. Very bad idea.
Yeah, we'll be
put it
back.
on
See
this
y'all
time.
later.